If you're looking for Christmas ugly sweater ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon Christmas Store. Blizzard Bay Christmas Ugly Sweater Ideas. Number 1, by Blizzard Bay. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Blizzard Bay. Number 3. More ugly sweaters now available online, just click this circle and get yours. Number 4. Number 5, also by Blizzard Bay. Find these Christmas ugly sweater ideas at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more Christmas ugly sweater ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.